Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Magnificent back here with your guitar interpretations. Today we're doing Joshua Bassett, Only a Matter of Time. Okay, so for this song we're going to be playing it without a capo. It's using basic chords. Just make sure you have your guitar in standard tuning and let's get right into it. If you're not familiar with the chords that I'm going to be using, you can check out my chord video. It's in the description. But if you know the major chords, let's get right into it. Okay, so the intro, A minor to D minor, G, C, and then E minor. A minor to D minor to G major, and then C, and then E minor to conclude. Okay, so my strumming pattern here is down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, up, 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 for every chord. And if you want to make it sound a little bit more mellow, strum it with your thumb. So you can put a passing chord after G and F major. So there's A to F, A minor to F. This is a bridge where the piano solo is going on in the background. And then we go back to the chorus. G, F, and then C, E minor. Alright, that is it for this song, guys. Subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like, share the video if it helped you, and I will catch you guys in the next video.